A cistern is filled by pipe A in 10 hours, and the filled cistern can be leaked out by an exhaust pipe B in 12 hours. If both pipes are opened, in what time would the cistern be full? Now, let's assume the total capacity of the cistern to be the LCM of the times, that is 10 and 12. So the LCM comes out to be 60. So the capacity of the cistern, let's assume it to be 60. Now pipe A can fill the cistern in 10 hours. Now rate is always work upon time. So 60 upon 10, that is rate will be 6. Now the cistern can be leaked out by exhaust pipe B in 12 hours. So the rate of pipe B will be 60 upon 12, that is 5. But because it is an exhaust pipe and it is leaking out, the rate will be minus 5. Now, when they are operating together, the combined rate will be 6 minus 5, that is 1. And the total capacity of the cistern is 60. Now, time is W upon R. So, therefore, the together time will be 60 upon 1, that is 60 hours. So, answer will be 60 hours.